A bonded car. Special car. Wow. Business car from the 80s. Absolutely death. Wow. It's a real V12 engine. M8. Oil looks good. Oil pressure is coming. Best products, brake cleaner. Whoa! Wow! Good car! 486,000 kilometers! To run constantly, this must be changed. The fuel pump. This is in bad condition. New filter. Restored. Wow. Empty. Fresh petrol.